Hello everyone. We are students from School of Computing UTM Malaysia. Today we are going to show a video about First Fit and Best Fit with a real-life example COVID-19 vaccination program in Malaysia. First of all, let's us introduce ourselves. We are Group 3 Form Section 3. Here is our group member. Hi, I'm Priya.
I'm William Goy.
I'm Lindsay. This is our lecturer, Dr. Sid Hamid Hussein Magni. Before we start, what is First Fit? And what is Best Fit? First Fit fits data into memory by scanning from the beginning of available memory to the end until the first free space, which is at least big enough to accept the data, is found. This space is then allocated to the data. Any leftover becomes a smaller, separate free space. If the data to be allocated is bigger than the biggest free space, the request cannot be met and an error is generated. The Best Fit deals with allocating the smallest free partition, which meets the requirement of the requesting process. This algorithm first searches the entire list of free partitions and considers the smallest hole that is adequate. It then tries to find a hole which is close to actual process size needed. There are some difference between First Fit and Best Fit. First Fit is a fastest algorithm because it searches as little as possible. But the remaining unused memory areas left after allocation become waste if it is too smaller. Thus, requests for larger memory requirement cannot be accomplished. However, the memory utilization of Best Fit is much better than First Fit as it searches the smallest free partition first available. But the Best Fit is slower and may even tend to fill up memory with tiny useless holes. So now we're going to show the use of First Fit and Best Fit algorithm based on our real-life example, which is COVID-19 vaccination program in Malaysia. The example for First Fit is vaccinating without age group with random types of vaccine and depends on the availability of vaccine in the vaccine center. Let us try with the example of First Fit allocation of fixed partition. We have 5 memory blocks in our memory. We assume that the memory blocks represent the vaccine types, and now the first one is Sinovac vaccine with the size of 15K. The second one is Pfizer vaccine with the size of 5K. The third one is Moderna vaccine with the size of 10K. The fourth one is AZ vaccine with the size of 20K. And the last one is CanSino vaccine with a size of 30K. Now we have 4 age range group, which is below 12 with a size of 10K. 13 to 18 with the size of 15K. 19 to 60 with the size of 20K. Above 60 with the size of 5K. Now let us try to fill in the memory block with the first age group. The age group below 12 can be filled into the Sinovac vaccine. Since the size of the block is 15K at First Fit, we do not have to check the remaining block. After we allocated the age group of below 18 into memory, we will have 5K of internal fermentation. Next, we go to the second age group. It cannot be filled into the memory with the Pfizer vaccine since the size of the block is just 5K. It also cannot be filled into the Moderna vaccine because the size of block is 10K. Next, we move to age group for 19 to 60. And the last one above 60. So now we are finished our First Fit allocation. The example for best fit is vaccinating depend on the highest risk age group with highest efficacy vaccine and lowest risk age group with low efficacy vaccine. Now we go to the same vaccine types and same age group for the best fit allocation. Below 12 can fill in the block of Sinovac vaccine, but we need to try all. So we move on. Block of Pfizer vaccine cannot fill in below 12. Block of Moderna vaccine can fill in below 12, and the block of Moderna vaccine is smaller than the Sinovac vaccine. So now this is the best block for below 12. Block of AZ vaccine also can fill in below 12, but the size of block is larger than the Moderna vaccine. Block of CanSino vaccine also can fill in below 12, but the size of block is larger than the Moderna vaccine. The best one is still Moderna vaccine for below 12. So we select Moderna vaccine for the age group of below 12. Now let's try the age group of 13 to 18. The Sinovac vaccine can fill in the age group, but we need to try all. So we move on. Pfizer vaccine cannot fill in the age group. AZ vaccine can fill in the age group of 13 to 18, but the block size is larger than the Sinovac vaccine. So now the best one is still Sinovac vaccine. CanSino vaccine also can fill in the age group of 13 to 18, but the block size is still larger than the Sinovac vaccine. So the best vaccine type for the age group of 13 to 18 is Sinovac vaccine. Next, we try with the third age group. The Pfizer vaccine cannot fill in the age group. The AZ vaccine can fill in the age group, but we need to check all the vaccine types. The CanSino vaccine can fill in the age group, but the block size is larger than the AZ vaccine. So for the age group of 19 to 60, we select AZ vaccine as the best fit. The age group of above 60 can fill the block of Pfizer vaccine. CanSino vaccine can fill in the age group, but the block size is larger than the Pfizer vaccine. So for the age group of above 60, Pfizer vaccine is the best fit. That's all for our video. Thank you.